Nakshatra meditation, NM. Nakshatra constellation meditation or NM is a novel idea which has been invented by us. Nakshatras are believed to be the custodian of our karma. Infinite positivities are not coded in our genes, but each nakshatra provides tremendous opportunities to all of us. We are born with immense positivities which reflect in the different shades of our personality. At the same time, each and every individual has certain blockade or negativity which he or she also inherited by taking birth in a particular nakshatra. Nakshatras are constant and undestroyable. So is Atma or soul. This is the greatest identity between nakshatra and soul. Nakshatras are influenced by rightly or wrongly by the presence of different planets. Planets are the mind of the cosmos, which has 9 shades to affect the basic personality of a nakshatra. For instance, if a particular nakshatra is influenced by negative sun, then ego will overrule the person. The negative influence of moon can lead to all kind of psychological issues. Mars can display misplaced anger. Mercury can lead to logical fallacy. Affected Venus indulges the person to a self-pitiable state. Influence of negative Jupiter makes the person pseudo-intelligent. Self-denial can be caused by Saturn. Rahu leads to fear and Ketu creates phobia. The mind of an individual is directly affected by these planets, and hence the knowledge of soul or oneness with the cosmos is seldom acquired. NM helps each individual to garner his positivity and overcome the blockades which hamper his or her personality. If you are ready to invest quality time of only 40 minutes a day for yourself, then NM can do wonders on you. To know more about nakshatra meditation or NM, you can get in touch with us on YouTube, Nakshatra Meditation NM, and Ajay Bhambi channel ABC, and our website www.nakshatrameditation.com.